Hey, Adam here at Thunder Road Harley Davidson. We're on our 23 Road Glide special project here. We are going to talk about the audio today. So I've got a 1 amplifier, 4 speaker system. Up front we're running a 6.5 inch stage 2 Rockford Fosgate speaker. The difference between the stage 1 and the stage 2 is I've got a mid and a tweet and a bigger subwoofer. This one runs at 2 ohms and 100 watts. The stage 1 runs at 4 ohms and 50 watts. The saddlebag speaker we're running is a 5x7, same setup. We've got the subwoofer, the mid, and the tweet, also available in a stage 1. Big difference between Rockford Fosgate and Harley Davidson Rockford Fosgate. Through Harley Davidson, you are going to order a painted to match saddlebag lid. If you look carefully here, you're going to see that it's form fit for your speaker. The reason that guard is there because the speaker does get warm during operation, and it's nice to have it separated for air cooling on that. You also get this Bluetooth dongle. What this is going to allow you to do is connect with this amplifier and monitor the speakers and the amplifier temperature. It's a really nice product. I'll be showing you when I'm done this build. In the saddlebag, this is your 400 watt amplifier. It's going to be covered by this heatsink here. So you'll see that again when I'm done the project in the end as well. Alright, so we've got it all back together now. As you can see, we've got our 5x7 speakers with these really nice grills on here. The aluminum trim's a nice touch. You can tell the difference between stage 2 and the stage 1 because this is aluminum on a stage 2, it'll be black on the stage 1. And you won't have the mid speaker, but you can't really see it in this angle. Up front, we got the 6.5, same thing. Nice trim on there with the aluminum, really clean look. This customer's got a 1 amp system. You can run 4 speakers. You can add a secondary amp. That secondary amp will run 2 subwoofers in the saddlebags, or 1 subwoofer and a set of tour pack speakers if you want. Again, 6.5, really nice setup. Rockford Fosgate did a great job of keeping the prices down. Our old system, the Boom Audio 2, you needed an amplifier per set of speakers. So to run that setup would have been, you'd have 3 to 4 amplifiers on this motorcycle. So really happy with the setup. I hope you are too. Alright, let's talk about the app from Rockford Fosgate with Harley Davidson. You can find the app in the App Store, whether you got an Android or an Apple. This is an Apple. So when it opens up, you'll be prompted here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the vehicle on. We're going to add a device. Okay, so this is our vehicle. Okay, so now we've added this device to my devices. It will ask you if you want to add a pin. I don't add a pin. I don't expect anyone to hack into this amplifier and, God forbid, change my audio settings. Now that we're connected, you're going to see the vehicle, you're going to see the information. This is just basically what kind of downloads in the radio and make sure it's up to date. This is our equalizer page. So they've got preset equalizers. Here you can see all the options: highway, hip hop, electronic, dance, acoustic, classical, rock, flat. We'll put highway on. As you can see, highway is going to drop down the bass because you're not going to hear it on the highway, and it brings the treble and the mid up. It's really whatever you prefer. Up here you're going to see the Bluetooth symbol. Make sure that's lit up. This is our health page. This is going to tell you all kinds of information about your bike. The amplifier right now is 35 degrees C. You'll see it go up as you use it. If your saddlebags are loaded up with a bunch of clothes or whatever you have, and you notice that's getting hot, you might want to adjust the things you have in your saddlebag. If you have a blown speaker, you're going to see it here. Underneath the settings here, if you decide to add more speakers, you can very easily do it yourself. You go manual setup, and you'd go through and enter what kind of changes you would make. Here we've got
to stage 2. We've got no fairing lowers. We've got stage 2 saddlebag. And we've got no tour pack. And we've got no subwoofers. If we added subwoofers to this, you'd be able to just easily do it via this app and add it on. You can add 2 subwoofers with 1 amplifier on the setup, or you can add 1 subwoofer and tour pack speakers if you like.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and follow for more content. Take care.